Hi, this is Ashwin Acharya. Right now, we will discuss regarding what is the need of safety training, how its benefit, training, the type of training that is the ongoing, the organization that is the induction trainings, which is known as the welcome to the new employees trainings. Before starting the job, that is job specific trainings. In a regular interval, there is a refresh training. Whenever work practice change, example new materials, new technology and revision of system of work. Before moving to a new job, there is a new training is needed. The benefits of induction training. The induction training is important for a number of reasons. That is the established a safety culture, shows the management commitments, identify the responsibility, identifies the hazards and the precautions at the workplace. Employee is aware of the hazards associated in the workplace. Impart knowledge. Employees recognize, reports the hazards, set sense of future reference. The induction training programs that includes the management's commitment of safety, the company safety policies that shows the consultative procedures, role of safety representative at work sites, the role of execution staff and supervision in a work sites, the emergency procedures and what are the emergency arrangement is to be needed, and the first aid arrangements, welfare and amenity provisions, specific hazards, health surveillance procedures, how to report the accidents and incidents, near misses, regarding the personal protective equipments related to ease, work, company drinks, drug, alcohol policy. Job specific trainings that related to job specific which are at our work site, that is the safe system of work, that is permit to work procedures, the equipment training, the personal protective equipment trainings, the fire trainings, the emergency procedures, the safety inspections and other trainings related to our work sites. When additional health and safety training is required at a company or at a workplace, if there is a number of accident incidents or increase the number of accident incidents, result of accident investigations, if there is more in dangerous occurrence, new technology and new process at work sites, change in job, change in working procedure, change in the working patterns, promotions or recognitions, new legislation, enforcement actions, result of inspections and audit, result of a risk assessment, if advised by the insurance company or advised by the professional body, then there is the requirement of additional health and safety training. Retraining to old workers, resistance to change, experience conflict with new process, bad work habit, set in a ways, poor retention and recall, lack of motivations, etc. Young persons training, young workers at risk because keen to learn and over enthusiastic, no experience or comparisons, more likely to take risks, open to influence, peer group pressure, body not fully developed, lack of training, lack of experience. Hence, there is a need of young persons training. What is the benefit of the trainings? The employees and employers. If there is a training to the employees, there less sufferings. There is a quality of life. There is a job satisfactions. There is standard flexibility of the staff. Improve safety attitude. If there is a training to the employers, there is a less accidents, less absenteeism, less claims and premiums, less legal and improper moral, less product damage, greater the productivity, improve the staff morale and efficiency. Considerations of training sessions. What employees need to know and what they know. Employees' responsibility, activity carried out, risk associated with the activities, actions required by the employees, type of training already received, the different requirements for various staffs, numbers involved, resources needed, the competency of the trainers, the communications to the employees and getting their commitment. Assessing training effectiveness, post evaluated by the trainers, delegates, their supervisor, accident rates and sickness absences. Employers keep training records. And what is the benefits? That is the proof of employees' competency. That identify when refresh training needed. Review the effectiveness of trainings. That assess the progress against the target. That provides the evidence in investigations. That provide the evidence in legal action. Thank you. For more details, WhatsApp 933815971 or email to ashwani.acharya@gmail.com.